This video I will show you to use image element in ClickFunnels website. Let me go here and open a page. Now let me scroll down. And now let me remove this section. Then add a new section, click on green button. Section should be void. Then add a new row, so let me add one column row. After that, search for element. On the right side here you can see these are the different elements. Click here media. Then here we can select this one, image element. Then scroll down. Here we can add the image. So let me upload the image from my laptop. Click on upload button, then select one of the image, this one. Then click on this image that we have uploaded. Then add the image. Click on add image. Here you can see image is added. Now click here settings. This one is the image alt text, that is important for the SEO. Now you can add the image width, image height. For example, let me add the image height 200. Then here you can see only this small image, so I can add the 500. Then this one. Here I can also add the image width. Okay, now I need to remove this one also. Now you can link your image with any of the URL. You can link the image for the form submission pop-up. You can add the custom link, just you can copy any of the page link and add here. Then you can enable lazy loading. This one is the top margin. Here you can see image is moving towards down. So this one is the theme. If I select this one, here you can see corners are round, so that looks fine. Here we can keep it default. Then go to advanced tab. Here you can align the image. So before that, let me resize it to 400. Then go to advanced tab. So if you want to align it on the left side, then select this one. I want to keep it in the center. This one is the border radius. Let me select the circle. Here you can see now image is in circle shape. Then this one is the border. You can add the white thumbnail border, dark thumbnail border, that looks fine. Here you can add the shadow, dark shadow. Then scroll down. After that, here you can go to animation. You can add some animation to your image on the page load, on the page scroll. Here you can add the time delay. Okay, now let's see how you can duplicate this image. Here you can go and select this option. If you want to delete one of the image, then you can select this one. Now let's see how you can add the image in the background. Now let me add the one column. So here I can go to row background. You can also add the image on this section background. This one is the section background. Here you can go and add the image. So let me select one of the image from here, this one. Then click add image. Here you can see image is added in the background. So this one is the section background. You can also add the background to row as well as different elements and many more.